Hello guys, welcome back to Special Creations by Nelly. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful backdrop. Very simple and inexpensive to do. You know, my goal is to make something beautiful for you guys where you don't have to spend a lot of money. I hope you guys like it, and let's not forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And remember, I will be posting every week, so you have to hit the little bell button if you want to get notified every time I post a new video. This could be for any different things, so I hope you guys like it. With that said, let's get started. So the first thing I did was grab 8 of these tablecloth, and I'm just gonna go ahead and open it. So when you're opening it, just unfold it like that, and just like that, and then just gonna go ahead and turn it like that, so it will be like so when you make the line, it will be straight down the line. I'm putting a mat because I don't want to mess up my table, so I grab another mat and I'm gonna measure 3 inches. You could use a ruler for this, whatever you have, and then just go ahead and cut it out. It's pretty simple to cut. Just slide it through and then pull it out, just like that. And then it will give you your long string, and this is what we're going to use. And each of these take out like 4 of them, 4 pieces for each string. You're gonna cut 4 strings of this, and then there's the last one that you will have to cut in between because it's not cut, so you just have to just cut it and slide it down just like that. Then go ahead and grab your ribbons and then just tie it to your stand. You can also tie it to 2 chairs if you don't have a stand. Then go ahead and grab your paper after you cut it out. Then you're just gonna go ahead and fold it like the way like you're gonna tie a shoelacer, just like that. Then place it through it and then just bring it up, and then just pull it all the way up. Then just continue until you're done pulling the whole thing, and then go ahead and pull out the long string just like that and take out this part like that. And you're gonna continue doing this until you do the whole thing. I'm gonna show you one more time how to do it, so you know. Just fold it like that, then go ahead and put it through it and bring it up all the way, just like that, and then pull it out. Pretty simple to do. Then just go ahead and take it out and just slide it down. Grab your pair of scissors and then just cut it the same length as the other ones. Then I went ahead and attached another string to the stand just like that. And then I went ahead and put my curtain on top, my white curtain. For these stands, I will put the link where you could get them. And then I'm just going to go ahead and tie it after I do the whole thing and tie it there. Just like that. Pretty simple. Tie it very good so it doesn't fall apart. I went ahead and grabbed another extra little string, and I'm going to put it through it to hold it down just like that. And remember that string that I put at the back? This is what's gonna hold my backdrop, so I'm just gonna go ahead and tie it there. I'm gonna tie very tight so it can hold it in place. And I'm gonna do the whole thing. Then after I put all the backdrop, what I'm going to do is just cut it, and I'm just gonna go ahead and make sure that all of them are the same length, and I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it out just like that. And you're gonna continue doing this until you cut the whole backdrop. This is coming out super cute. And then for the next thing I did was I grabbed 2 balloons and I attached them together, so I will need 2 sets of these 2 balloons. So then I'm gonna go ahead and grab my balloon and grab my other set and put it through it and twist it around just like that, so it will give me this little flower. Then I took a flower and I'm just gonna go ahead and put a little string and attach it to one of the little petals, like a few petals like that, and hold it. Make sure you tie it right there. And then I'm gonna go ahead and place it between my balloons and just go around it to attach it to the balloons like that. And then go ahead and remember that little string, just put the string through it and just go ahead and twist it around just like that so it can hold in place. And that's what's gonna hold your balloons on top. And this is how beautiful everything turns out. Guys, I'm telling you, it looks more beautiful in person than actually in the video. And in the video, it looks super cute. I hope you guys like it and enjoys this video. And if you like it, please do not forget to hit the like button. And also, this is another way that I did it. I put some gold ribbons, and I also put some flower on top. I hope you guys like it. Thank you for watching.